Have you ever had your soap batter turn into a surprising color only to find it changed again in 24 hours? Well, today I'm making an activated charcoal soap that went through a wild color transformation. Activated charcoal in soap is a natural powerhouse for cleansing. It draws out impurities and excess oils from the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and deeply clean. It's perfect for acne-prone or oily skin. I like to add mine directly to the oils instead of the soap batter when the lye has been added. And I add it to the oils because I want to be able to mix to my heart's content without worrying about overstick blending and getting a thicker batter. Plus, you have to be careful with activated charcoal. That charcoal will go everywhere. It's kind of dusty, so I like to go ahead, put it in that oil and mix it before the lye gets in there because I don't want little lye bits going around everywhere with the activated charcoal. I'm also adding a teaspoon of my sugar water mix syrup that I made a few videos ago, and I'm just adding that for extra lather. The activated charcoal is really good with creating its own lather, like making it more bubbly, but the sugar is going to make it over the top, which is what I like. Now here is where my color change shifted. Once I added the lye and I began to blend, the batter turned an unexpected green. And it's actually pretty common, especially with natural colorants. Sometimes the chemical reaction between the oils and activated charcoal and the lye can lead to colors that we don't expect right away. But activated charcoal is true to activate it, so it will activate as black towards the end. And honestly, that's the beauty of soap making. You know, when you do it, sometimes you never really know what you're going to get, because I've actually made this activated charcoal soap bar before. However, it did not turn green. And one thing that is different is instead of using olive oil, I use rice bran oil. So note to self, maybe when you add rice bran oil, your activated charcoal is more likely to do a little color shift. But like I said, it's going to activate black when it's done, all said and done. And see here, after 24 hours, the soap is gorgeous. It's more of a lighter shade of the black, almost sort of gray. And that's simply because I only use one teaspoon of activated charcoal in my soap batter. And this is a 1 pound soap mold. So it still has that black. It is going to cure to a little bit more of a richer black color, but it came out gorgeous. Activated charcoal often does this where it does like this color shift. So don't be thrown off if you see some changes in the beginning. And also you'll note on the top of one of the soap bars was a crack, and that simply just means that the soap batter overheated. So it's simply because I make my soap out in the garage. So if you're making it out in a hot place, make sure you move it to a cooler place when you're done. Activated charcoal is such a fun ingredient to work with, and a reminder that soap making is full of surprises. If you like this, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Black hands are out. Bye bye, guys.